Alright guys, I want to talk about Coti on the channel. Now this is a lot of YouTubers' favorite coin basically, or one of their favorites. Not favorite, but one of their favorites. A lot of them seem to really like this project, and I do have about a mid-sized bag of this, I can say. Now, what it looks like it's going to do, it's going to make like a little cup, and then probably make a little handle like this, and then it's going to shoot up. Now this is just for illustration purposes. This is not exactly how it might play out, but basically once it comes up to this neckline, and it's probably going to test it a few times and bounce around, then it's probably going to break out, guys. But the target of this, if it plays out this way, let me measure this. It's about, let me just put it like that. Now the breakout point, let's just say it's over here. That target would lead us to about 42 cents, guys. So let's see if this cup and handle plays out or not. It's possible it will. It's like a little mini cup and handle here on the weekly time frame though. And it just basically dates back to the beginning of this year. If you look at Tron, for example, it's already played out this cup and handle, but it's played it out over like 3 or 4 years. So yeah, you can see what a finished cup and handle really looks like if you look at Tron on the weekly time frame. So yeah, that's what this looks like it wants to do. So we have to wait and see. Let's put this on the daily real quick. Okay, so basically it has retested this support couple of times. Now I hope we don't get like a bearish engulfing candle here on the daily time frame, but anyways, I think everything is good with Coti here. I do think it will get a bounce and retest the 16 cents shortly, and then it has about 19.1 cents to retest after that. So anyways, let's take a quick look at tokenomics here. Well, according to CoinGecko, basically it looks like most of the supply is already circulating. So, actually I looked on tokenomics also. I couldn't find Coti, so I have to take this at its word. But yeah, it looks like it is mostly out there circulating, so that's good to see. The highest price for Coti all time was about 3 years ago, guys. I was holding it at the time. It was about 67 cents almost. And yeah, so we'll see. I do think it will get back to that, and probably a lot more, guys. I think this coin is going to go to several dollars at least. So just have to wait and see. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin here, basically, we're getting another red candle today. But guys, remember, last weekend also 2 red candles, although these are a little bit bigger. I do think probably we close that CME gap on Monday, if not probably by Tuesday. But remember, the close was 98,892, so we are what, like $2,000 below that, guys. And yeah, I do think we will pump to the upside to at least close that gap, and probably continue, guys. Now the target of this little bull flag here, which was on the 4-hour time frame, is $100,700. And if you guys remember, let me put this on the weekly time frame, this huge consolidation from about February to middle of October, that target is up here at about $105,000. So short term we can say is $100,700, long term is $105,000. But guys, if we get a daily candle like this one, 11th November, we'll probably blast through 105. So from this point, yeah, actually it would probably be, well, we might be right under it. But anyways, anything can happen, guys. You can have even more, maybe $9,000, $10,000, especially when you're in blue sky territory. So yeah, guys. All right, taking a look at the crypto market cap, the total. Basically, we're getting a little bit of a red candle today. Now, Bitcoin did go down to about 95 something, 96,000. And it kind of flushed out a lot of the people, guys, which are probably new. So don't be worried. we're going to have these, red candles along the way, guys. So, yeah, I mean, I think everything is fine. We're getting a little bit of a bounce from earlier today. I mean, we were down as low as 3.17 trillion. So we are pulling ourselves back up. We might not get a green candle today, but that doesn't matter too much, guys. So taking a look at the dominance, guys, Bitcoin, yeah, it's right under that trend line, guys. And let's see if it can close under 59.25. That would be excellent, guys. It looks like it would have tried to retest and got rejected, and that probably will signal more downside, guys. So yeah, I think this is excellent if it stays here, but we have to wait. We still have, several more hours to go on this candle. Now, taking a look at the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, again, we're going to have a red candle today. Just because Bitcoin, went down, it kind of flushed out all of the other cryptos as well. The altcoin season index, guys, we have a 43 right now. Earlier today, I think we were at a 47 or something like this. So we were a little bit higher. But yeah, once I think we break this, probably about 50 mark, I think we're going to go up quite quick to altcoin season, guys. So right before this, though, we were 39. That's because of Bitcoin. Again, I just have to say, we kind of got to flush out today, and probably it was whales, playing whale games, I believe. So anyways, don't fear. I do believe altcoin season is near. Now, fear and greed, we're down to an 80. I think that's better than yesterday because we were in an extreme greed, 94. So that's what I want to see. I want to see a little bit more downside here with this fear and greed index. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I do believe we will tick down a little bit just because of what happened today with Bitcoin. Taking a look at the Fed Watch tools, guys. Basically, it hasn't changed over the weekend. Basically, it's 50-50, guys. We have less than a month to go, but we're still pretty far out, guys. There's lots of time to speculate, really. Now, crypto bubbles, we are seeing now green. A little while ago, it was pretty much all red. There was only a few big green bubbles like Sand and Mana and a few others. But yeah, Bitcoin and crypto, other cryptos are starting to come back up. So looking better. Now, guys, if you want to stake your coins, you can go to Coinondo, type in whatever coin you want, for example, Bitcoin, and you'll have a list like this. And you can choose the platform you want to use for your staking. Now, I don't recommend using long-term just because we're in a bull market and it can end very quickly, guys. So the price you want for the coin can come and you'll miss it. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.